GCSE Physics past paper questions number 9. So it's Unit 9, and Unit 9 is on light, as you can see there. So this is June 08 paper 2, question 3. In the box are the names of 5 electromagnetic waves: ultraviolet, microwaves, gamma rays, radio waves and infrared. So there's a number of questions here which are asking you to distinguish between which one is which, and so you need to know which ones which ones have which properties. So which one has the longest wavelength? So you need to know the order of your electromagnetic spectrum to see which one's the longest wavelength. So it's the ones down at the radio end, and of course radio waves are mentioned there, so the answer there are radio waves. Which one can toast bread? So you're looking for something that produces heat, and that's infrared. Which one is used for satellite communications? And we know that microwaves are used for satellite communications and to send signals between our mobile phones. Name 2 things that make them different from sound waves. Now we've already said that they're electromagnetic waves, and electromagnetic waves can do things that sound waves can't. So the first thing is that electromagnetic waves can travel through a vacuum. But whenever it says it makes them different, that means you have to compare the 2 things. So we need to say, but sound waves don't. So we need to finish off the sentence, sound waves don't. You can't assume that examiners will give you the benefit of the doubt that you mean electromagnetic waves can, but sound waves can't, if you don't write it. So you need to finish off the sentence. So anytime you're asking to talk about differences, then you must mention both waves, electromagnetic waves, and what sound waves can or cannot do. Second thing is that these waves, electromagnetic waves, travel very, very quickly at 3 × 10⁸ meters per second. And I'm going to write in a vacuum, because whenever you talk about the speed of light or the speed of electromagnetic waves, it's that speed in a vacuum. It's slower in other materials. But sound, now if you said is much slower, you would get away with that. But we're going to say, but sound travels at 330 meters per second. And we'll just finish it off in air. So you've said that electromagnetic waves can travel through a vacuum, but sound waves can't. And that electromagnetic waves travel very, very quickly, and you can mention the speed, but sound waves travel much more slowly.